What's up guys, this is Zanil and welcome to the video tutorial for the Learning Lad on C++ programming. So in this tutorial we're gonna learn something about the address of operator. So this address of operator, which is denoted by this ampersand symbol and which is used to get the address of the memory locations. So here in this tutorial we're gonna use this address of operator and we're gonna get the address of a variable which is used to store some value. So just for the demonstration purpose in our program, I'm going to create two variables. Let's call it as int age and let's initialize this one to a value of, let's say, 100. Another variable called weight, and let's initialize this one to a value of 60. Alright, now we have two variables which are of type integers. So when we declare a variable and assign some values to that variable, the value which we assign will be stored in a memory location in the memory, and that memory location, it has some address. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 or any address it has, and you're just giving a new name to this address so that we can easily access it. So this age is the name given to that memory location, and every memory location has its own address. So this address of operator is used to get the address of a memory location, or the address of a variable. Alright, now we're gonna see how to get the address. So here I'm gonna use a cout statement, and it's gonna be age, and then let's end this line, and again I'm gonna use a cout, and this time I'm gonna use ampersand age, and then let's end this, and again I'm gonna copy these two lines and paste it in the next line, and I'm gonna change this one to weight, and it's gonna be ampersand weight. So I'm gonna save this one and build and run this program, so you guys can see the value which is stored in this variable age is 100, and this variable age is stored in a memory location 0x23FEFC, and the value stored in this variable weight is 60, and the address of that memory location is 0x23FEF8. So one more time, this address of operator is used to get the address of a memory location, which is used to store some value. And you guys may ask us, like, dude, what's the use of this address of operator? So to understand the use of this address of operator, you guys need to learn something called pointers, and which you can learn in the upcoming videos. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and if you guys have any doubt, don't hesitate to ask us, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.